So, anything that you could share, guys? Your culture there, the two audiences, can you tell me what you're doing? Are you working or do you have a business or a student or what? While I'm doing this, you know, guys, what I like here in Croatia. Okay, I lost my audio. Okay, sorry. What I like here in Croatia is that they have a very nice, beautiful nature, guys. And so peaceful. Nagbablog ako eh, nagla-live ako. So peaceful, guys. Here, my partner is here, Owen. So peaceful, guys, and now I can adapt the climate from summer to winter. Ano sabi? Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko. Hi, vlog.
Welcome, guys.
Punta si Sally sa Sada, nagpabilaw ng kasi pabilis kay Julio na.
Punta siya ka.
Andun na, kay Glenn. Tapos
Yeah.
babay ka.
Dapat sumabay tayo.
Pero, ay, baka puno na sila. Baka puno na sila.
Ano? Kailan siya?
Try talaga ko ilan sila. Dahil sa sila eh.
Sige.
Sina? Alis na sila, nasa biyahe na yun. Naka 10 minutes na yata. Ayun lang. Nandiyan pa, ito lang. So, that's all, guys. Can you tell me, guys, your experiences and are you a foreigner also here in Croatia or a local? You can give info to those Croatian guys. They are kind. Of course, all have differences. But yeah, they are good. But the language, we are having hard time, guys. So, yeah, guys, tell me about your doing. Oh, thank you for the likes. Thank you.
Anong ginawa mo dyan, ha? Anong ginawa mo dyan, Miming, ha?
Di sila merke. Si ikaw nagtapo ng buhangin doon? Akala ko sila. So,
Makit.
dinig nila ako doon. Galing natin sila doon.
Sige, papik ka. Papik ka? Papik siya, sige.
Ginawa mo nga. So, thank you so much again, Dino and Yona. So nice the name, Yona and Dino. So nice. Say hi, Mani. Say hi, me. Saan? Saan? Ulit yan, ipapitse. Ganun dito. Pero gano'n. Light na yung gano'n niya.
Si Abo.
Yes, guys. Because it's winter, guys. That's why we are putting here up the clothes. So that nakatakas na di si Cha. Sunday? Ikaw?
Papasok ako ulit. Si Bindis binigay sa akin, hindi, papasok ako ulit. Laboratory ako bukas, nag-request ako.
Hindi, paano yun? Maglabas ka na ng bukas.
Kaya nga. Tapos pasok ako.
Oo, ano makita namin doon? Ano kasi maglabas ka? Katahin mo na lang.
Madali mo laboratory yan.
So guys, thank you so much for staying. So you can watch my maning. Aray ko. Maning. Ano sabi? Ano ko magkakailan? Nakita mo gusto mo Excel doon mga nandun. Nakainaya ko sa tasis yan.